Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we'll be talking about importance of organizing. Now, importance of organizing can be clearly understood with the help of following mentioned points. We'll be discussing each one of these in detail.
First advantage of organizing is that it leads to specialization. Planning we have already covered in the last video, which is the first step of management. सबसे पहले हम अपने plan या objective set कर लेते हैं. Next step is organizing. What do we do in organizing? Organizing में हम resources को synchronize करते हैं, whether these are human resources or non-human resources. किस तरह की activities है जो एक category में आएगी, किस candidate या employee को किस तरह का काम दिया जाएगा, वो सब organizing में आता है. So definitely it leads to specialization where people having special expertise they are designed to do that particular job. और जब वो उस तरह का काम बार बार करते हैं तो उससे productivity बढ़ती है and efficiency बढ़ती है. Clarity in working relationships. Now, organizing function helps in clarifying the roles and responsibility. एक hierarchy set हो जाती है जिसमें ये पता चलता है who is going to report whom. कोई भी information, communication, suggestion का जो transfer होगा that will be easy. There will be no ambiguity if things are properly organized. Let's say if we talk about an institute, so we know that students are going to report to the class teacher to the coordinator to the head of department further to the director, and director to the chairman. So things are properly set. Optimum utilization of resources. Now definitely if things are properly organized, then there will be maximum utilization of the resources available, whether these are human resources or non-human resources. Human resources को अगर work properly allocate है तो duplication of work नहीं होगा और उनका maximum utilization हो पाएगा. And if we talk about non-human resources, so if activities are properly planned, organized, then definitely there will be less ambiguity and there will be maximum utilization. Adaptation to change. Now definitely organizing function helps in adaptation to change. अगर आपका properly organized हो रखा है, proper work allocate है workers को और interrelationships clear है, there is clarity of working relationships, then definitely अगर external environment में कोई भी change आता है तो easy होगा उसको implement करने में because जो आपके internal organization का जो structure है that is quite clear. Effective administration. Now organized अगर चीज़ें आपकी होंगी so definitely आपका जो administration होगा that will be effective one. There will be clarity, less ambiguity होगी और आपका जो ultimate goal या objective है you will be able to achieve that. Expansion and growth. Now definitely from the previous mentioned points it is clear that if things are properly organized, as we know human resources are most important asset of any organization. If they know what is the specialized area, if there is clarity of relationships, if there is optimum utilization of resources, so all these factors are going to contribute toward the expansion and growth. अगर ये सब चीजें clear होंगी so organization is definitely going to flourish. Development of personnel. Now definitely human resources who are employed in an organization, अगर organizing function properly हो रहा है वहाँ पे hierarchy set है, clarity of relationship is there, तो जो human beings होंगे, जो employees होंगे, they will be motivated, they will be able to unleash their creativity, brainstorming sessions होंगे, which is going to ultimately lead to their individual development.
Let's try to understand importance of organizing with the help of this example. Let's say we have to arrange an art exhibition. तो सबसे पहले हम प्लान लेट डाउन करेंगे जिसमें हम देखेंगे हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कि उस आर्ट एग्जीबिशन में मैक्सिमम फुटफॉल हो. देन वी मूव ऑन टू द ऑर्गेनाइजिंग फंक्शन. अब अगर हमने प्रॉपर्ली ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, प्रॉपर्ली एक्टिविटीज को देखा है, जिसका जो स्पेशलाइजेशन है उसको वो वर्क एलोकेट किया है, देन डेफिनेटली ऑर्गेनाइजिंग विल बी अफेक्टिव वन. तो इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस हम इससे समझ सकते हैं कि आप डिफरेंट कमिटीज बना रहे हैं. लेट्स से देयर विल बी कमिटी फॉर मेकिंग द मॉडल और फॉर मेकिंग द आर्ट पीसेस. We may have committee who is going to involve in the welcome section. There may be committee for marketing who will be involved in basically promoting the event, and there may be members in a committee जो कि display में होंगे who are going to basically directly interacting with the visitors. तो इसमें क्या होता है, organizing में हमारा work specified हो जाता है, specialization होता है, which is definitely going to enhance the productivity of any event. Also there is clarity in working relationships that who is going to report whom. आपस में क्या इंटर रिलेशनशिप है, अगर वेलकम कमेटी के किसी मेंबर को कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो कौन उसका हेड है, दे आर गोइंग टू रिपोर्ट whom, and what relationship they are having in between different committees. So definitely importance of organizing can be clearly understood with the previously mentioned points, that there is clarity in working relationships, definitely there is optimum utilization of resources, and it leads to effective administration.
I hope this topic is clear to you. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Keep learning and keep growing.